All right, everyone. So I want to show you the best way for how I'd like you to share your assignments with me. So you're going to go to assignments. You're going to click on this assignment that Mr. Service gave to me. You're going to go on add my work down here. Okay. You can upload from this device and then just find whatever you're giving in. Okay. So let's say this is what I did, right? I'm going to upload that there. Once that's uploaded and whatever else I need there, I'm going to click done. And then I'm going to press hand in, or it might say turn in up there, depends on your computer. I'm going to press that. That's just going to whir round and round and round. It might take a little while depending on your connection. Oh, there we go. We've got a unicorn. It might take a while depending on your connection or depending on how busy and occupied Teams is at the moment. But that's the best way to receive your work. Yeah. And just make sure that's got a really appropriate title. Like mine here, I've said potential dividers elimination task ATG, so you know it's from me, and just appropriately title them like that. That'll be the best way and the most useful way to give your work to your teachers so they can see what you're doing. Okie doke. Bye bye.